In this video we're going to talk about the tactical GEEK EXT14 crossbody bag. So it's a vertical sling or a small pouch that has a very tactical look. It's part of a Kickstarter campaign at the time of making this video. I will put the link down below, or I will update the link when this is full released. In this video we'll first see the fit, then we will do a quick tour after this what fits inside, then the pros and cons, moreover a little bit the specs, and finally should you buy it or not. Let's go! Let's go for the quick tour. So first on the back here you have some modular to put some things. For example, this flashlight, you can just put it like this. Okay, or you can attach this to another pack, or you can do whatever you want, since it's a standardized system. On the back you have nothing more but the strap. We will talk about it later. The fabric here is this nice fabric. It's not written Cordura or anything. I know it also will exist in X-Pack, but this is not X-Pack. On the front you have a lot going on here. First of all, on the top you have some Velcro where you can put some patches here to personalize the sling. Then you have a feed lock here, so you can see it here, and it's written pull. And then you just pull and it opens this flap. Underneath here you find another patch of Velcro where you can also put some personalized patches. Here you have the feed lock with a strap like this. Then you have two little sleeves here to put some paper or some cards, but they will not be protected from rain. Here you have a loop like this, and here another one but not stretchy, this one. Maybe you can put a pen here. We will see it in the what fits section. In this part you have also a loop, not stretchy here. Then you have a zipper. There are YKK zippers all around, and in the inside you can see that it's a really nice orange. This pocket here with this zipper is the same as this one. So here if I open it, you can see it like this, and if I open this zipper you can see my hand going like this. So this, I don't really understood everything about this pocket. I know that you can access it when the flap is closed using this zipper, but then, yeah, I'm not too sure about the two zipper. It's just options. If you need them, you have them. Here is inside, as you can see, a really nice orange. You have a main compartment with a sleeve. So this is stretchy, and so you can put something here, and then you have the compartment here, and also you have this little thing, we will see it in the what fit section, where you put a card and then you do this and the card is going up. They say this sling is RFID blocking. I'm not really sure where it is, but since this is like a card pocket, I think it will be right here, so that the RFID blocking is working. And that's about it for the pockets. Then you can just close it like this. And finally we can talk about the strap. The strap standard, so it's attached here and then here. Okay, nothing crazy. You have a very nice strap. I don't know if it's branded or not, but I think it's really good hardware. You can just remove this if you don't like it and put another one. Here you have some little loops like this. Here you have this thing. It's Duraflex buckles. You have this here to put maybe a S-binner or something, and then you have also more of this. You have a strap keeper here, and then it goes up to here. Last but not least, you have a top pocket here with this top zipper, and the top pocket is inside the flap here. So you can see it here, so you can put some little items, for example some earbuds right here. So I think it's really good, and when you have it in your hand, like you feel that it's really well built. That's it for the quick tour. What's inside? Here is an example of a load that you can do with this little pouch. First of all, if I go to the main compartment, you have access to a power bank right here. Then you have access to a water bottle, small flask. You can put water inside or whatever you want. Then here you have your cards, RFID blocked, so you do this and then the cards go up and you can choose which card you want to use. Okay, then the main compartment is empty. On this side here, you can see I put some patches. And you can close the main compartment and access, for example, the side compartment right here, where you have a Swiss Army knife and you have some more fork and spoon to eat, foldable. And here on the front, as you can see, I put this flashlight where you can have some LEDs here. So when you're biking or something, you can have a light here. You can do something like this, for example, and you can have it flashing. Okay, so perfect. It's perfect to put here. You can just remove it, and then here you have a pen on the side, so you can just use it like this, a very small pen from Add 1D, and that's about it. Then you have the patches from ALPAKA. On the back you can put some stuff, but I don't really like, maybe this is more to attach to a backpack, I think. Let me know if it's not the case, but I think it's better like to attach this to a backpack than to put some things here, because they will be against you, which is not super comfortable. So as you can see, you can fit quite a lot here, and I almost forgot, this pocket, I think it's kind of hidden because you don't think about it. And here I put my earbuds. Really nice layout, a lot of pockets, a lot of compartments. I really like it. Now talking about the pros and cons of this little sling pouch or crossbody bag. So 3 pros, 3 cons as always. The first 3 cons for me are, the first one, I think it's quite obvious. The first thing when I opened it, it was like, oh, super nice, a feed lock, I really like it. But then when you want to close it and you just want to do this and try to close it, you cannot really, because this needs to be up, you see? This needs to go on the upper side of this flap and then to close. If you just try to do this, it will not work. So each time you need to do something like this. And yeah, sometimes if you're used to it, I think that's okay. But if you're not used to it, then you need to do something like this. You see what I mean? So it's okay. When you're used to it, it's okay. But when you're not used to it, the first time you use it, then you're like, yeah, it's not closing. What is going on? So maybe this could have gone a little bit down. I'm not too sure, but yeah. That's my main con of this little crossbody bag. The second con is the tactical look. So it's in the name, Tactical Geek. It's obvious that it will look like this and look a little bit military with the mole and everything. But if you like this kind of look, then it's perfect for you. And then the third con for me is, but it's part of the construction here, you have a flap. And then here it's not very closed, you see, like maybe some rains can get in or something like that. So usually I like my gear to be very well enclosed with AquaGuard zippers or something, and here it's not really the case, but then you have a quick access to this pocket, which is the trade-off of having this little flap a little bit open. Then on the pro side, 3 pros. The first one is the build quality. The build quality is awesome. I don't have the final price, but I think it will be very affordable. And you have a super good feed lock here, just the little flap problem. YKK zippers all around with AquaGuard, really smooth zippers. Here it's not X-Pack, but this material is awesome, and you will have also the option to buy it in X-Pack. You have some super nice Velcro here. The strap is super good with Duraflex hardware. Yeah, what can I say? This is top-notch build, so I cannot really say anything about this. Then the second pro is you have a lot of options that you can customize it as you want with the little sleeves here, with this, with the mole on the back, and so on with the Velcro. So you have a lot of different things, not like they give it to you and you need to use it like this. You can do whatever you want with it, and that's really good. And the last pro for me is that it's super light. So we'll see it in the spec part, but I can tell you it's super light, and I think you can put quite a bit inside. Yeah, it's not the biggest sling in the world, but it's quite okay. So let's go for the spec. First of all, we'll do the weight. I will go with the weight with this, but you can remove it, so maybe we'll see it without this also. So I have my little tools, not really precise, but it works. I will do it here like this. Let's check it out, measuring, and it's about 200 grams, which is 0.4 pounds. If I remove the strap, let's check it out. It's about 150 grams, which is about 0.3 pounds. So 50 grams for the strap here. Then for the dimensions, so let's check it out in centimeters. Sorry for the Americans, it's 16.5 in width. In length, it's about, I'll let you convert, it's about 22 in height, and the depth is really small, so yeah, I cannot really say, but something like 2 centimeters, maybe even less. So pretty small sling like this. Finally, should you buy this pouch? Should you back the Kickstarter out? Well, it depends on what you need. If you need a vertical sling like this, if you're into the tactical look, then definitely yes, it's awesome. Build quality is awesome. The little con is this one, but then you get used to it and that's perfect. You will also have the X-Pack version. This is the gray one in the standard fabric. You also have a coyote one, beige. I don't have so much things to say about it. It's quite good. It's quite well constructed. It's kind of perfect in its own way. If you like the look, and yeah, that's for you. If you're into the market of vertical slings, you can also maybe have a look at the Air Street Sling, which has also a feed lock on the outside here. It's a little bit different here. You don't have the problem of the flap, but then you have the problem of the way to open it, and you need to have also a gesture and to be used to it, because the first time you open it, you find it very hard to open, and it's a different construction, a different sling, maybe a little bigger in capacity, but then less tactical look and quite different sling. And then you also have some options. This is not a vertical sling. This is the Go Sling Nano from ALPAKA, but it's about the same size, just in a landscape way and not in a vertical way. So yeah, I will put also the links down below. And that's about it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, ciao ciao.